Last week, I talked about section 2.4 linear equation with a variable only one side of the equation. Today, I'm going to talk about the section 2.5 solving linear equation with a variable on both sides of the equation. This section consists of three parts. The first part is solving the linear equation with a variable on equal side. The second part is solving the linear equation containing decimal or fraction. Third part is identify identity and contradictions. In today's lesson, I will cover only first part. If you look at the simple example, 4x plus 6 equals 2x plus 4. There's two variable terms, 4x, 2x, and no variable terms, 6 and 4. And also they have equal sign. So such equation, I'm going to explain how to solve this kind of linear equation as following the step. The first step, when you look at the equation, if linear equation containing fractions, then you have to eliminate by multiplying least common denominator on the both sides. Then you can eliminate fraction from the equation. And second step is if you have containing parentheses, then you have to remove parentheses by using the distributive property. And third step is if you have like terms, then you have to combining like terms. And first step, then by using the additional property, you have to, one side is variable term, equal sign, and the other side is no variable term. Or left-hand side is no variable term, equal sign, right-hand side is variable term. And last step is you have to isolate the variable terms by using the multiplication property. And last step, you have to check. Once you get the solution, then you have to using the by original equation, plug in the original equation, then you get the clarify the solution. So let's following the by looking at this simple example, let's following from step 1 to 6, then how to solve the linear equation with on the both sides of the equation. So let me show. The first step, when you look at the equation, first step, the fraction. Can you find the fraction term? There is no fraction term. Then you can skip the first step. And second step, can you find the parentheses? No. They don't have parentheses sign. So you can skip the second step. The third step is, can you find the like terms? But we have like terms, 4x and 2x. But 4x is left-hand side, and 2x is right-hand side. Then you cannot combine the like terms. Then you also skip the third step. And let's look at the fourth step. So one side is variable term. On the left-hand side or right-hand side, no variable term. Or left hand side is no variable term equal sign, and right hand side is variable term. To do the step 4, you by using the additional property. So let's do the first. Let's do the variable term in the left hand side. To do that, then you have 4x plus 6 equals 2x plus 4. To make the left hand side is variable term, you have add both sides negative 2x. You have addition negative 2x term. Once you do that, left hand side will be 2x plus 6. Right hand side will be 2x plus negative 2x will be 0, and just only 4. And still they don't have left hand side, still they don't have no variable term. So to get rid of number 6, you have to add minus 6 from the both sides. Then we have left hand side is 2x, 6 plus minus 6 will be 0, right hand side will be negative 2. So this one is done, we have in the step 4. So let's do the step 5. So isolate the variable by multiply both sides negative 1/2, not negative 1, just 1/2. Multiply both sides 1/2. Then we have isolate variable term in the left hand side. We have left hand side only x, right hand side will be negative 1. So let's do the last step. Last step is by using the original equation, we need to check x equals negative 1. So once you plug in the x equals negative 1, we have 4 times negative 1 plus 6. 2 times negative 1 plus 4. So we may check left hand side equal to right hand side. So 4 times negative 1 will be negative 1 plus 6. 2 times negative 1 will be negative 2 plus 4. Left hand side is gives us minus 4 plus 6 will be 2. Right hand side minus 2 plus 4 will be 2. So left hand side equal right hand side. So we check the last step. So hence x equals negative 1 is your solution of linear equation with the variable x on the both sides of the equation. Now, what if the right hand side will be changing 4x? The question is 4x plus 6 equals right hand side will be changing 2x will be 4x plus 6, so plus 4. Then what happened? Once you look at the variable coefficient, 4, left hand side is 4, right hand side is 4. Coefficient is the same. Then we cannot isolate the variable on left-hand side or right-hand side. So, in this example, we're gonna we'll do the next time.